Welcome home to Ivy Knoll. Experience Castleton living at its best at Ivy Knoll. The community is peacefully tucked away from the fast pace, but convenient to every place you want to go. Our premier location is steps from Castleton Square Mall, Keystone at the Crossing, and Broad Ripple, and just minutes from I-465, I-69, and Binford Boulevard. Plus, we're located within two outstanding school districts, Lawrence and Washington Township. You can enjoy a short walk to numerous shopping and dining choices. Ivy Knoll features 2-bedroom floor plans, which includes a huge great room overlooking your private patio or balcony, formal dining room, plus a dine-in kitchen with pantry, built-in bookshelves, and extra storage. Each apartment home also includes washer and dryer connections, and we can even provide the equipment for your convenience. Carports are available near most apartments. Spend some time catching a few rays on the sun deck or splashing in the resort-inspired swimming pool. After a hard day at the office, enjoy relaxing on your patio or balcony while overlooking one of our beautifully landscaped courtyards. Call today to schedule your personal tour. Our model is open daily.